Hello everyone, my name is Xuan Huo. I come from Nanjing University. Today we will introduce our work, Deep Transfer Bug Localization. When systems grow larger and larger, many projects often receive more bug reports than what they can handle. Bug localization is a technique that helps developers to automatically facilitate fast and efficient identification of the buggy code, which is very important and necessary. However, there contains several challenges in locating buggy source code in a new project. For example, sufficient bug data is often unavailable for new projects, which is hard for building a specific classifier based on supervised learning. Second, data distribution is different in a new project. Directly applying trained model is not appropriate. Therefore, cross-project bug localization is necessary. A question arises: how to deal with cross-project bug localization? In our work, we propose a novel cross-project localization model, which employs transferable feature extraction layers to learn common feature representation from source and target projects, and then learn different classifiers in the project-specific prediction layers. First, bug localization can be formalized as a learning task, which attempts to learn a prediction function to predict the related label of pairs of bug reports and source code. In the cross-project bug localization, the settings are similar. The data in the source project is available for training, but there is only a small number of data in the target project is available. Therefore, the key part for cross-project bug localization is how to transfer knowledge from source project and build a domain-specific domain for model for target domain. Firstly, considering transferable knowledge, some common knowledge between the source and target projects should be captured such that knowledge learned from the source project can eventually be transferred to facilitate learning for the target project. Our solution is we design two convolutional neural networks that sharing weight to learn semantics of source code in both source and target projects. Second, considering domain specific, the source and target projects may differ in how their bug reports and source code files are correlated. We design two fully connected networks to learn mapping of source and target projects in the project-specific prediction layer. This is a general framework of our model, TRANP-CNN. The model contains four main parts: input layer, transferable feature extraction layer, project-specific prediction layer, and output layer. The training process and testing process are different. Bug reports and source code that from source and target projects are used for training, but only target project bug reports and source code are used for testing. In the transferable feature extraction layers, we apply two convolutional neural networks to extract semantics from bug reports and source code, respectively, and such knowledge learned from the source project can eventually be transferred to facilitate learning for the target project. In the project-specific prediction layer, two fully connected networks are designed to model the relationships between bug reports and source code in the source and target projects respectively. And we propose a following hybrid loss function to fulfill the learning objectives for both source and target projects. The first term in the loss is the source project, and the last term is the loss in the target project. Here are some experiment settings. The dataset we used for evaluation is all open source software projects, and some widely used metrics such as top K rank, MAP, and MRR is used in our experiments. The first research question we want to study is there a need for a specialized technique for cross-project bug localization? In the table, NP-CNN means within project bug localization setting, and NP-CNP means only used a very small number of data in the target projects. NP-CNN is using within project bug localization model directly on cross-project setting. So the results that NP-CNN is better than NP-CNN shows that directly using within project bug localization model for cross-project tasks is not good. NP-CNP is worse than NP-CNN, means using cross-project data is able to improve the prediction results in the target project. So in summary, the results show that A specialized technique for cross-project localization is necessary. The second research question, we compare TRANP-CNN with previous state-of-the-art methods, including within-project and cross-project localization methods. In all 60 cases, TRANP-CNN performs the best on 53 baselines, which demonstrates that the improvement achieved by TRANP-CNN is significant. The third research question we want to investigate is that do the weight sharing strategy and the project-specific prediction layer in TRANP-CNN improve bug localization performance? The results shows that TRANP-CNN outperforms NP-CNN considering various standard metrics, so that our strategy work. In summary, our main contributions can be summarized as twofold. We propose a deep transfer learning approach specialized for localization named TRANP-CNN, which extracts transferable semantic features from source project and fully exploits labeled data from target project. The comparison results demonstrate the effectiveness of our model. That's all, thank you. Thank you for your attention.